So here we have something called as a physical status modifiers, and this would range from, we have like 1 to 6. So that would be from P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 and P6. You know, these modifiers just give an understanding as what is the nature of the patient's status actually. Say for example, when you go to the CPT manual, P1 says a normal healthy patient, P2 a patient with a mild systemic disease like anemia, asthma and hypertension, P3 a patient with a severe systemic disease like poorly controlled hypertension, and P4 a patient with severe systemic disease that is a constant threat to life. Say for example, congestive cardiac failure or unstable angina. And finally, we have P6, a declared brain dead patient whose organs are being removed for donor purposes. You can very well have a question as to why, when the patient is moribund, the patient is almost dead, and why are they giving anesthesia? This you might have a perplexing question to us. Actual reason is, imagine the patient where at this time the patient is brain dead. That means still the functioning of the heart is still taking place. So here what happens is, at this time they are going to harvest the organs. So sometimes there could be movements on the body. So the surgeon or the anesthesiologist who are there, or the nurses who are there while doing this procedure, might have a kind of view that the patient is still alive. So in order to have such, or in order to avoid such negative or adverse effects, so they give the brain dead patient a anesthesia. So in that case, a physical status becomes P6. And you should be knowing, like, all these physical statuses are given only by the doctors. Coders have no role to play in it, because these modifiers should be explicitly given in the anesthesia record. And for the sake of values, we can see like P3 has a value of 1, P4 is 2 and P5 is 3, and other modifiers have 0 units. So strictly speaking, these modifiers will not be created or will not be assigned by the coders. It is actually the statuses are given and dictated by the anesthesia providers. In fact, when you see the anesthesia record, these will be encircled, and the coders have to simply assign these modifiers along with the ASA code. Okay.